Yo, sup? Good night everyone, or good evening or good morning. My name is Pirex. I'm live, I think. And today, for my first ever video on YouTube, I'm not doing anything about Linux, about coding, nothing. My first ever video will be unboxing. Yeah, I know this is not my kind of video, but I thought it would be funny for the beginning. So, this is a box containing something valuable, and I'm going to dissect it with my Swiss Army knife. Nice. Gentle and simple. Look at him. Almost open. Just one more way. Here. Here. And also here. Now it's open. Look. How beautiful. Wow, a sticker. I will show it a little later. Yeah. And look at them. Spike's Family Manga. Yes. I'm a nerd boy. In fact, I'm not. I'm very much not interested. I think. Wow, this manga is so good. Spike's Family. I have the volumes through 1 to 10, and it's interesting. Wow. Damn! This is PG-18. I cannot show this. Unless you know what I'm talking about. And I bought these. All of this from eBay, around 75, 85 US dollars. Look, it's a sticker. It's Anya, Lloyd, Yor, and Bond. Well, this is so fucking cool. I tried. Well, yes, I love mangas. I read some in my free time. This is my first one. And yes, I hope will not be my last one. It's not my first, and it will not be my last. Next time around, folks. Pirex out.